Heavy rains experienced on Wednesday have wreaked havoc in parts of Mombasa County. Some of the residential estates have been hit hard by the deluge, with residents having to wade through pools of water to access their homes. Kevin Mutai has the details.
There was a heavy downpour in Mombasa on Wednesday afternoon through to Thursday morning. The rains have left many residential houses submerged, forcing residents and motorists to wade through the flash floods. Several roads are also flooded, causing traffic snarl-ups in some of the major highways in the city. The rains have also reportedly affected many operations, especially construction of some of the roads near the port, forcing contractors to halt operations. Some of the areas most affected include Nyali, Kisauni, Mlaleo, Bamburi, Mishomoroni and the CBD. On Wednesday, the downpour affected beach operations along the coastal strip, with the rains and the high-speed winds forcing most of the tourists to seek shelter. The weatherman has cautioned members of the public, saying the rains are expected to go on for the next few days. Fishermen have also been asked to take caution due to the raging tides in the sea. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.